Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection or unique ideas of birthday cake ideas for women to decorate these sort of unique cake decoration arrangements on their birthday to make their birthday more beautifully decorated according to these cake decorations. You can create your cake decorations according to your birthday party decorations. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love these ideas and create any of them. In this video, I bring some beautiful cake decoration ideas for birthday ideas of women to decorate their birthday with these sort of unique cake arrangements that a woman will love to create some brighter or some flowery arrangements for their birthday decorations. You can create some ideas according to it, or color combinations can be chosen according to the person you want to create these customized ideas. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to make your birthday celebrations or parties more unique and pleasant by creating different ideas that people will love to create for your birthday celebrations, and you can create or memorize these sort of ideas for a long time, that you will create these sort of unique ideas on your birthday. Viewers, you can pick up any idea from this video that you want to customize according to your own requirements. You can choose different confetti balloon decorations, or you can use different macaron decorations on these cakes. Some fresh flower arrangements for these cakes can also be created according to your party decorations. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me. So keep sharing my video, keep supporting me. Thank you.